Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Got a planks door here with the tinted windows. These things are awesome. Got to hand it to CHI on this particular door. Trims up later. Little detail there. Got the nice tinted glass. Absolutely beautiful. We had to go low head on this one, and inside mount, of course. Smooth, quiet. Got the bigger rubber in here because the floor tilter's a little bit down there. I'll show you a quick tidbit of the inside here. 13 ball wheels. And our low head. Just like that. Split the bearing for the op. And our custom made little brackets. And that's what it looks like from the inside on a tinted glass. A little bit different. I love it. Planks by CHI. This is the Cedar. There's one of the stops. We'll get the other ones later and hook it up. For all your garage door needs, call Innovative Garage Door 630-271 9343. 630-271-9343. Look at that beauty. Let's go. Gotta love it. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Get yourself a nice CHI planks door today.